Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today we'll be showing you the accessibility controls on the Webex app. So on the left-hand panel, on the upper left-hand side, you will go to your profile, go to settings, and go to accessibility. So accessibility edits the font size of how your messages will appear. So you could have it smaller or larger than usual. So this is the default size. Screen reader notifications for accessibility includes the following. So when someone raises or lowers a hand, if the participant stops sharing content, if you get any chat messages, if the host mutes or stops either the audio or the video, or if there are any other reactions, the screen reader, you will be notified by the screen reader on the actions that are enabled on here. And if there are any flashing images, you could press or you could tick this box if you want the content automatically dimmed by the WebEx app. And then once you're happy, you could just press save, or you could have it reset to default. So let's say you would want to have your font size and the biggest available font that the WebEx app offers. You could just press save. So this is how it's going to look like. And press hello. It's going to look like that. And if you would want it smaller, you could just edit it to your desired font size, press save, and it's going to appear smaller. And that's it. Those are your accessibility options on the WebEx app.